Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove dashboard Nissan Maxima. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes to clear residual power. Remove airbag and trim panels, carefully using plastic trim tools to avoid scratches. Keep fasteners in labeled bags and photograph each step for easier reassembly. Work methodically from panels to center stack and use a magnetic tray for screws to avoid drops into vents. Before you begin, collect Torx T20, 10mm socket, Phillips driver, trim pry tools, and a flashlight. Confirm you have replacement clips in case any break during removal. Create a clean workspace to store screws and panels in order, and use phone photos to record connector locations. Plan roughly 2 to 3 hours depending on experience, and keep a small container for clips and screws so nothing gets lost in the dash cavities. Begin by removing trim panels, then unscrew the radio and HVAC controls to access mounting bolts. Gently pry vents and release hidden clips while supporting panels to prevent drops. Disconnect harnesses by pressing release tabs and label each one as you go. Remove the glove box and any lower panels to expose bolts, then slide the dash pieces out with steady, even pressure. Inspect wiring harnesses and heating ducts to avoid tearing or pinching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.